Have you ever been stranded somewhere with a dead car battery? It's the worst, right? Well, fret no more. Today, we're taking a look at a lifesaver for drivers everywhere, the portable car jump starter. But not just any jump starter. We're diving deep into the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, currently the king of the castle with over 80 to 1,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. Let's see what all the hype is about. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40. This little guy is a powerhouse packed into a compact and lightweight design. It's a lithium-ion jump starter that can bring your dead car battery back to life in seconds, up to 20 times on a single charge. Jumping a car can be intimidating, but the GB40 is all about safety. It features spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, so you won't fry your car's electrical system or yourself, even if you're a complete beginner. But the GB40 doesn't stop there. It's a multi-tool for any situation. Need to charge your phone? No problem. It's a portable power bank that can top up your smartphone, tablet, or any other USB device. Stranded at night? No worries. The GB40 has a built-in, high-output 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 different modes, including low, medium, high, flashing, strobe, and even an emergency SOS. The GB40 is tough. It features high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any weather, a rugged and water-resistant exterior, and a rubberized casing to prevent scratches. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 2.4 pounds. To jumpstart, connect the clamp assembly to the 12-volt output on the boost unit. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Power on the boost unit. The charge LEDs will light up in sequence, and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that the boost has detected the battery and is ready to jumpstart. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is running, power off the boost unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. So, there you have it. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is a must-have for any driver. It's compact, powerful, safe, and versatile. Want to learn more about the NOCO Boost GB40? Please click the link in the description of this video.